Most of us assume we're eating healthy enough. But what if I told you that you might be living with silent nutrient deficiencies and not even know it? In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 deficiencies you didn't know you had, what symptoms to watch out for, and how to fix each one naturally. Number 1. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Signs of magnesium deficiency are poor sleep, muscle cramps, anxiety, constipation. To fix it, eat dark leafy greens, almonds, pumpkin seeds, bananas. Epsom salt baths help too. Number 2. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Signs of vitamin D deficiency are fatigue, depression, frequent illness, bone pain. To fix it, get 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight on your skin. Add fatty fish like salmon, eggs, sunlight-exposed mushrooms. Number 3. Iron, the energy booster. Signs of iron deficiency are extreme tiredness, pale skin, shortness of breath, brittle nails. To fix it, add chicken, lentils, spinach, sesame seeds. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C for better absorption. Women especially need regular checks during menstruation. Number 4. Vitamin B12, the brain and blood vitamin. Signs of vitamin B12 deficiency are numbness, brain fog, weakness, tingling hands or feet. To fix it, add eggs, dairy, chicken, and seafood. For vegans, try fortified plant milks. Number 5. Zinc, the immunity support. Signs of zinc deficiency are poor wound healing, hair loss, frequent infections, acne. To fix it, eat pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, dark chocolate. Also found in meats and shellfish. Number 6. Omega-3s, the anti-inflammatory fat. Signs of omega-3s deficiency are dry skin, depression, joint pain, brain fog. To fix it, eat fatty fish such as sardines, mackerel, salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds for plant-based omega-3. Number 7. Iodine, the thyroid regulator. Signs of iodine deficiency are weight gain, low energy, dry skin, sensitivity to cold. To fix it, eat seaweed, iodized salt, dairy, eggs, and seafood. Be cautious with excess. Too much iodine also causes thyroid issues. Eat colorful, whole foods. The more color, the more nutrients. Rotate your diet weekly. Don't eat the same 5 things every day. Cook smart. Steam veggies instead of overboiling. Track symptoms and try a blood test once a year to catch silent deficiencies. Support gut health. Poor gut is equal to poor absorption. Nutrient deficiencies aren't just a health issue, they're a quality of life issue. But the good news? They're fixable, naturally, deliciously, and affordably. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more health breakdowns, and share this with someone who might need it.